So we're going to try this out with the Flourish Tree. This is a glimmer plate from last year. So I've got my glimmer system heating up. Let's go ahead and put our little tree down, and I'm going to cut off a piece of the foil. Now you can see this is a big roll. This is a 12 inches, so that means we can cut it smaller if we need to. And I think I'm going to take out my quick cutter just to make sure that I get it cut nice and it doesn't blow away. And yeah, sometimes when I use scissors for this, it doesn't work as well. So what we're going to do, we only need, let's see. So the glimmer plate is about 3 inches wide, so I only need about 3 inches. So let's go ahead and trim that down using the foil cutter. Let's cut it a little bit bigger than the 3 inches. So I'm going to cut it right about here. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the whole strip. And that way I've got extra and I can do a second one if I want. Actually, it is. It's about that same height. So I'm going to do this one with my stripes going vertically. So we're going to place the foil shiny side down. You always want the flat matte side to go towards your card. Put that down, put our plates on top, and I'm going to let it sit for a second, and then, well, I'm going to go ahead and hit the button. It should be hot enough at that point to run through our die cutting machine and get an image. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this through, and this will tell us whether or not that is actually hot foil and if it will work in my glimmer system. It's stuck to the paper, so that to me tells me that it is definitely a hot foil and it works with my glimmer. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how pretty that is going to turn out. Let it cool just a sec. And there we go. We do have a little bit of overfoiling, but look at that shine. Overfoiling I'll take care of just like I always do with an eraser. There we go. And then I pulled out one of the sentiments that I had from my stash. This is from a new glimmer set. I think this is the glimmer of the month for November. Not 100% sure because I don't remember how long it's been in there, and I've got a ton of different ones. Use what you have in your stash, guys. If you make extras when you're creating, take those out and use them on another card. So I'm just going to add that right down here to the bottom. And there we go. We've got a completed card using that new fun foil. So you guys have a great day. Be sure to check out this playlist to see some more projects where I'm using Craft Express products. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.